logical thinking process is a systematic way of moving from an ill-defined system problem to a fully implemented and verified solution. Itself is composed of 5 logic trees. The first is a goal tree, which is intended to set the standard for the expected performance of the system. And it starts with the goal at the top and the limited set of critical success factors that are required to achieve that goal. The second tool in the process is the current reality tree, which is a cause and effect tree that is designed to identify the gap between what is expected and what is actually happening in reality, and through a series of causes and effects, drill down to the critical root causes that are producing this gap. The next step in the process is the evaporating cloud, which is a conflict resolution diagram, and its best use is in resolving conflicts about changing the system among different factions within the system. After that, we have the future reality tree, which could be considered a bench test of the proposed solution. The implementation of the proposed solution is projected out into the future to see if it will actually deliver the desired results and not create any devastating new problems. And finally, the last step in the process is the prerequisite tree, and this is an implementation or execution tree. It is intended to help execute the solution to the problem that has been identified. The logical thinking process is intended to provide the answers to 4 key questions. The first is, why change at all? The second one is, what should we change? The third is, what should we change to? In other words, what should the new system configuration be? And the fourth one is, how do we make the change happen? Or how do we implement this? The logical thinking process can be used to resolve a complex system problem or to develop strategy for the system. It's been used by individuals to plan their future careers, by entrepreneurs to start up new companies, and by large corporations to resolve complex system problems. Among the large corporations that have successfully applied the thinking process are Deloitte Touche Tohmatsu, the accounting firm, BHP Billiton, possibly the largest mining corporation in the world, and the U.S. Department of Defense. This is an overview of what the thinking process is and what it is intended to achieve. There will be other videos that go into detail on each of the logic trees.